Okay, so matching the solution to your needs, right? So who are you, right? Maybe you are a brand new fund, right? You have next to no technical team in-house. You need data, as I mentioned, to do anything. You have maybe a strategy that you feel has a good Sharpe ratio, for example, and you're eager to deploy capital, but you need to validate, let's say historically over some period of time, and you need both, U.S. and international equities data, or maybe you need some options data, or you maybe need some foreign exchange data, whatever the case may be. All that data is available. Again, over 200 exchanges, over 20 years data in some cases, depending on the asset class. So rather than spending 6 to 12 months, waiting to even launch your fund and deploy capital, you can immediately validate your strategy using our data, and hopefully start generating returns for your investors. For more established groups, let's say a multi-strat or multi-manager fund with multiple pods, it's kind of similar. If you're starting a new pod, you're kind of in the same place as a new fund. But let's say you are in a firm that does have infrastructure. However, there may be legacy databases with data that is of dubious quality. You may have multiple market data vendor contracts that you're managing, which can be expensive and difficult to establish compliance with the terms of those contracts. And you may have multiple compute silos, different database vendors, different data in different formats, et cetera, all of which makes it very difficult to move quickly and to get access to the data you need. I mean, you may be very familiar with the need to go to a central data engineering team or market data management group, and maybe you have to submit a ticket or something to get access to the data you need, and that might take who knows weeks or months. So again, the alternative is subscribe to the data in OneTick Cloud that you need. Even for very focused use cases, you can subscribe to just the symbols, just the history, just the asset classes, the exchanges you require in your pod or for your strategy, and immediately get to work. And do so using, again, a high quality, easy to use, intuitive, unified Python API, which I'll show in a bit. So, and then lastly, just to be very specific, I mentioned model development and AI/ML feature engineering. You can also do, of course, microstructure analysis using our order book analytics capabilities of OneTick Pi. Other common use cases include execution analytics, BestEx. Let's say if you're a broker and need to establish compliance, with applicable, execution regulations, that's a common use case. And because we have all the trades and all the quotes, within OneTick Cloud that are inputs into a BestEx analysis, or maybe you are managing a fund and you just need to make sure that you're getting the best fills, so you need to calculate VWAP, TWAP, et cetera. And that's easy to do as well within OneTick Cloud. So all these use cases and others can be, are supported by OneTick Cloud.